Hello my dear friends, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create like this tube letter text effect inside After Effects without using any plugin. So make sure watch till the end. And if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. So without wasting any time, let's start the tutorial. So in the beginning, create any composition. So click on it and name it main and make the width size 9020 by 1080, duration 10 seconds and hit OK. After that, I'm going to use this text and lock the layer. Select the pen tool and make the fill none and stroke none and draw the line around the text. So let's do like this. So you have to draw your line in one go without any break. So if you see, you will see there is only one path. Okay. So now let's name it text line. And now select this ellipse tool. Now draw a circle and select this fill and enable this radial gradient and hit OK. And click on it and make the first color white and location is 0 and second is yellow and location is 40.5 and you can copy this, and third is 46.8 location and color is this. After that, this one is port 75.2 and this is the code, and then last is red and color is this, and hit OK and select the selection tool and you will see something like this handle. So you have to move it handle like this here, and this center point move it up like this. Alright, so now let's name it circle. There's a one important thing you have to do. So select this pan behind tool, and if your anchor point in the center of the composition, then we have to place it in the center of the circle. So move it to the center like this. Alright, so now let's move it here like this and press S and decrease the scale size of this. I think this is good. So now select your text line, expand this shape, expand the path, and select this path and Control C to copy, or you can go to edit and copy. Alright, select this circle, press P, go to the beginning and select the position and Control V to paste. And this circle should move around this text, something like this. But this is too faster. Then select all of these keyframes, hold Alt and move it to like this. And 6 seconds is good, I think. It's really slow. Let's make it 5 seconds, 4.5 seconds. Hold Alt and move it like this. Alright, so this is good. Now select this circle, go to the effect and preset panel. Now go to the beginning of the timeline, select this circle and go to the effect and preset panel and search echo and apply onto the circle. And make the echo time value minus 0.004 and number of echoes, let's make it 3000, and echo operators, let's make it composite in front. So now if you play this, you will see like this animation. If you zoom it, you will see this is not very smooth. Then let's click on this motion blur and it's very smooth now. Alright, so if you want to change the color of this, then you have to select this circle and go to the effect and preset panel and search black and white and apply onto it. It's black and white now. Let's add the adjustment layer. So right click, new, add the adjustment layer, and again go to the effect and preset panel and search gradient, 4 color gradient, this one, and apply onto the adjustment layer. So this is the R first, this one, and move it here. This one this second and move it in the center. I think this one third, move it here, and this is 4. It should go here. Okay, it should look like this. So I'm going to make the first color purple, this one, and second color let's make it red, and third will be yellow, and let's make the 4 light green. And gradient should look like this, and change the blend mode color, and it will look like this. And if you want to add curve, then apply the curve as well. Let's make the render area around these 6 seconds, and this is done. Save the file, and before that select your text layer and delete the layer. I want to end this line also, then I'm going to composition settings and increase the duration. So let's make it 50 seconds and hit OK. And let's expand all of these 3 layers and make the render area at the 30.5 seconds, and it should end here. So I'm going to make this circle, this one number of echoes, let's make it 1500. And if you play this, you will see like this animation. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any question or doubts about this tutorial, feel free to drop them down in the comments. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to subscribe for more awesome motion design and After Effects tutorials. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and keep creating.